Alright, we're back with another video. It's the 2007 Honda Accord holographic, and my hood latch cable actually popped off in there. Don't ask me how, I don't know how, but it popped off. So let's go ahead and try and open the hood without the cable. Alright, so the tools you're going to need for this job is going to be a 10mm socket, an extension, you're going to need your ratchet of course, and a long flathead. I'll leave a link in the description for all the tools that I used if you purchase something. Thanks in advance because it helps the channel. Let's get started. I got a special access inside my vehicle, so you just push this right here. Boop. Now I can get under there. That's a lie. Don't believe me. I just don't have this secured. But see the cable? There's the cable. Came off. So what I'm gonna try and do is stick my pry bar through here, which is the passenger side over here. See if I can pop that open. So let me get it in there. I'll be right back. All right, so that's kind of what I'm doing. See if you can see it. Can't really see it, so let me lift this up. There you go. That's much better. So that's what I'm gonna do right there. I'm gonna wiggle it and see if I can pop that open, get the hood open. So I had to get a smaller flathead to stick through here, which is we're gonna be on the passenger side, right in there. So what I'm doing is I'm sticking the flathead on the other side of that spring. There's a spring right there, so you're gonna stick it on the other side and push it, because the clip is like this, and when you push it, it opens like that. So you're pushing from the passenger side to the driver's side for that hook to open like that. So that's what I did, is I stuck it in. Let me see if I can get you in there. Just like that. And I went like this. And I stayed on top of that spring. You see me on that spring? And then I just pushed it real hard and it went click. Let me see if I could do it again. Hold on. I'm gonna close it, because I did get it open. See it? It's open. So I'm gonna close it and see if we can do it again. Hold on. All right, as you can see in there, it's closed. See it? So I'm gonna show you what I did. If I can get this phone in there without. All right, so I went like this, like that, stayed on there, boom. And she opens up. So let me open it and I'll show you what happened. All right, so I already took this thingy off. So what happened was, when I looked in here, this cable was off, and then these two were disconnected. This is to the sensor for the hood latch. So I'm gonna reconnect everything, but that's how you can open your hood latch if it gets disconnected like mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop off 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts so we can go ahead and secure this cable back on there. So let's go. All right, so here's a closer look at the hood latch. So this is how it sits on there. And mine, because I was in a little fender bender, my little sensor is broken. So I'll probably just grab one of these from the junkyard, but this was disconnected. So this sensor goes under this spring, and then it just sits like that. So what I did with the flathead is, let me get comfortable here. So So here's your hood latch. So it's gonna sit on there like this. So what I did was I came from the passenger side and I pushed my flathead all the way in until I got right here, and I pushed that, and that's what popped it open. But I did it from the top. Remember, I told you that I stayed above that spring the whole time, and then right when I get there is how you pop it. So you can either go like that, or you can do what I did and stay above the spring, and you'll barely hit the top of this right there. Right there is where you're gonna hit, and you push it and then it'll pop open. So you gotta come from the passenger towards the driver, just like that. Let's go ahead and put this back on. I'm gonna get one of these at the junkyard sometime in the future, but for now I'm gonna put this on so my hood doesn't go flying when I'm driving down 95. So let's put this bad boy back on. All right, so we gotta connect this cable right here, and that cable goes right there, right in there. So let's go ahead and do that. See if I can do this one-handed. Doing this one hand. There we go. Bam. There she's on, just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy back on. Give me a minute. All right, we got our 10 millimeters on. We're just gonna tighten them up, and we'll be back. All right, so we got the hood latch repaired, and that's a way you can get into your hood if your latch ever breaks like mine did. So remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it. Thanks for watching.